Yo, we're back again, guys. Today I'll be showing you just a way of being able to capitalize on your trades and you'll be able to trade and be profitable. So let's not waste much time. I know you are part of this family, and also I'd like to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for growing this channel as well. You are part of the family. So make sure you click the subscribe, like, and notification bell if you are new to this channel. Become part of our family so that you get notified every time I drop something new. Let's go into the charts. As we know, the market has been looking a little bit choppy. You know that it's an NFP week, and whenever we're having uh, this type of big event, the market tends to be a little bit choppy. But I'll be able to show you just quick information that enabled me to be able to exceed and also accelerate my win rate from 14% to 75%. This is the trade hack that is delaying many people from being a profitable trader, but I'll be able to assist you and show you just about how you can be able to hack the system and become a profitable trader. Let's go into the charts and dive deeper. As you know, we start from higher time frame. I prefer starting from a daily. Some people start from weekly, but with my understanding, I start from a daily time frame. And then looking at it, we do know that the simplest way that you can be able to analyze is to take this the way it is, so you can at most see that we've been having a downtrend of some sort. So this was a downtrend. Always make sure that all your charts you zoom out completely so you can see we've been having a downtrend here. So let's further jump in and look what really happened here and what is about to happen. I can see clearly that here we have 2 points which was in the form of an M, and this happened because of this nature. Understand? You can see it's a smile and then it drop. So it's an M formation. This is how it happened. An M formation in some form where double top. So you could see that at the top there was a resistance that held and then price eventually dropped. So now we know that okay, this was our point where it forced the market to push, but then what is happening? This is coming here. What will happen is that depending on how strong the market is, remember this is our final TP coming from this point here. As you can see, it's reaching the 90% rule, coming to this point here. Once it reaches this level, can either decide to do this, maybe reject and then go back to the downside, or possibly what could happen, we can have a move break, a retest to come to this point here. But remember, we don't guess the market, we always follow what the market is doing. So these are the two main directions that we are looking at, because you must also remember that this had a break as well. There's a break here and the test, you can see you are having some sort of a retest here. Do this. Then we can have let's do this. Okay, right. You can see here we had a retest, the bounce here that became a support. So you can see clearly that this level here was very much strong. You can see here we bounced, came here, then we came here for the last, then we broke it, and then now looking at this reverse head and shoulder, pushing to the upside. So this is what is currently happening. So let's look at 4-hour, because for me to say we can eventually push here is because I can see here we broke. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. With the 4-hour time frame, you can quickly see that the move is still strong to the bullish. So we can at most say that there's nothing we can do at the moment. Remember, we don't chase trade, we wait for trade. So we'll rather wait for a possible pullback. Because as you know how we trade the market, we rather wait for some sort of a pullback before we push to the upside. But if it decides to keep on pushing, we're gonna leave it. So at the moment, I'll show you the entries that we managed to capitalize on. Okay, just before that, so we knew that the market starts on time frame, the daily. So I can see it has already broken this, so we can now use this and then this structure. But also remember, we have this particular structure, but you can see that we have broken this, and then want to see the end structure here, how we really communicate with this one, because we can at most say we have a greater chance of reaching this point. The reason why I don't push this one, I just don't want confusion. I want to see where the market decides to retest. Now I'm on 4-hour, then I can see what we are having. It's impulse correction. This is what we've been having here, and managed to capitalize on these ones. They're very much clearer on 1 hour. So you see that this one, what it did, we had a push and then a retest. So you can see it formed a W at double bottom before it pushed further to the upside. So you can see at most, for us to be able to take this trade, we had various elements, and then our stop loss will be eventually below this low here, because now you can see it pushed up and then came left that low, meaning that it's forming a new high to the up end, so to the upside. So this one, definitely see that we have a high, and then we expect a higher high, and then this is a higher low, because you can see that it's at this point here, but it formed the double bottom. Okay, then we have this type of issue. So how would you know where to buy this one? This one more like a give and trade. Put your price, your stop loss will be below this low, and you can see broke and then correction, held, push further. Then now you see that you are having this. So all this tends to repeat itself. You just have to see and understand the way the market moves, so that you don't be caught up on the wrong thing. With this one, see, Okay. Let me know. Yeah. Right. I would like to see where the fib is giving. As you see, we came where we are 61.8. I always told you guys this is the most sniper edge. So you can see the reason why the market decided to push from here. Rejected here, and you could have took this, possibly put your buy stop here above this on this 50, above this candle, yeah, on this 50, and then take it all the way to here. So this would have been the way you took this trade because of this fib. As you can see, it was a deep correction. So you would have used fib to be able to catch that move. Okay, similar to this one, I think this one will give us possibly 78.6. Yes, indeed. And then so the simplest and the answer, I'm glad you stick to the end of the video, is that you scale in. As the market keeps on going up, you scale in. So the answer of making sure that you increase your win rate ratio is that you increase your profitable trades. You keep on scaling in on your winning trades. I'm glad we could stick to the end of the video. You can see we're pushing. So I'm still having information that yes, indeed, you could push to the upside, but point of interest is this one. Point of interest is this one. Please do not forget what I mentioned, the break here, and then if we fail to break, it's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I'm glad you stick to the end of the video. Click the link below to use the broker that I'm using. Catch me in the next video. Peace.